In this video, what we're going to do is we are going to make pictures using coordinates. So basically, the question says plot the following sets of points and join them up in order. So basically, what you need to do is do all of A, plot those points carefully, and then join them up. And then separately do B and join them up. Separately do C, join them up. Separately do D, join them up. Separately do E, join them up. F, join them up, G, join them up, and then H, I, and J, and what it will do is make a big picture. Okay, so to help you do this, I've got this GeoGebra app. So what you need is a bit of graph paper. Make sure you label your axes X and Y. You probably only need about 12 here, and -9 here. Okay, so when you've done part A, your diagram should look like that, and we see we've got some sort of cat appearing. Obviously, you might not mark on the coordinates, but this is what it should look like when you've been through the coordinates of part A. Remember, the X coordinate comes first, so if we take the first point here, which is on the list, -7, 9, it means we go back 7, and then up 9. So X first, Y second, or along the corridor, and then up the stairs. And then you plot them up and you join all the points up. Then if we click to do part B, we'll get the mouth of the cat here. And if we click to do part C, we'll get the top part of his eye, and B, the top part of he or she's other eye. Obviously cats have whiskers, so if we click and do parts E and F and G, you get a set of whiskers there, and if you do parts H and I and J, you get a set of whiskers here. So this GeoGebra applet, which comes with the question down here, I will put in the notes of the video. I hope you've understood, and I hope you find this an enjoyable activity. Thank you very much for watching.